Spring is almost here. And you know what that means?
You're right. The real MVP this season isn't a baseball team, it's your air conditioner.
And if your system isn't ready for the heat, you're going to feel it.
Good thing the pros at Air Design Services are always ready.
Let's go now to a home that just got the air design treatment.
Thanks, guys. I'm here with a local family who just had their Air Design Services spring air conditioner tune-up. So tell us, how did the planned service membership work out for you this spring? It was great. Their technician showed up right on time, tuned up our system, and now we know we're ready for the summer heat.
And with the planned service membership, we don't have to worry. They keep everything running perfectly.
Another home staying comfortable this spring thanks to Air Design Services.
Perfecting indoor comfort since 19